Predictive Safety presents Fatigue Risk Management. On this video, the difference between fatigue, drowsiness, and tiredness. Fatigue is a normal and progressive physiological response. In this progression, the extreme stage, that final stage in which all of our biology predisposes us to sleep, is what we know as drowsiness. Tiredness, on the other hand, is the feeling that each person has of their state. It's a feeling. It's subjective. The ability of people to assess their own alertness is precisely one of the things that is affected by fatigue. Many times, we have been with colleagues visibly fatigued, who nevertheless insist on being well, and insist on continuing to drive or operate. So, fatigue is a normal and progressive physiological response. Drowsiness is the last stage, the most extreme stage in the progression of fatigue. Tiredness is a subjective sensation that the person has throughout the progression of fatigue. Experience tells us that we cannot rest on what workers tell us when we ask them how they feel, because we are not monitoring tiredness. In addition, waiting for the level of fatigue to be extreme is not safe, nor does it allow for efficient risk management. If we have a system for monitoring fatigue risks, then we must measure fatigue, not tiredness nor drowsiness. On this video, we have discussed the differences between fatigue, drowsiness, and tiredness. A clear understanding of these differences has a huge operational impact. If we are controlling tiredness, then it is enough to ask people how they feel. If we were to control drowsiness, we would get technology that detects when the person is falling asleep. But if we are to control fatigue, we would need to do so along its entire progression, and hence, fatigue's monitoring would have to be predictive. We hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.